Welcome to another Brainy Buyer comparison. Every chart, test, and tip you're about to hear is funded by viewers like you. Subscribe and join the squad that keeps honest product intel free for everyone. Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Weber Q1000 and the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner.
Yep, let's grill 'em. First off, the Weber is smaller, 189 square inches of cooking space. The Nexgrill, a much more generous 401 square inches. Big difference if you're cooking for a crowd.
True, but the Weber is all about portability. It's only 27.5 pounds, perfect for tailgating or camping. The Nexgrill is a hefty 70 pounds, so it's more of a backyard grill.
Good point. And the Weber runs on those small, disposable propane cylinders, which are convenient but can get expensive. The Nexgrill uses a standard propane tank, which is cheaper in the long run. Plus, the Nexgrill can be converted to natural gas.
Ah, that's a nice feature. What about power?
The Nexgrill has 28,000 BTUs of cooking power, spread across two burners. The Weber only has one burner, putting out 8,500 BTUs, so the Nexgrill will definitely heat up faster and probably get hotter.
Okay, so the Nexgrill wins on size and power. What about the grates?
Both have porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good for even heating and easy cleaning. The Nexgrill adds an upper-level cooking rack, which is a bonus for keeping things warm or toasting buns.
And the ignition?
Both use push-button ignition, so easy peasy. The Nexgrill also has foldable side tables, which are great for prep space, and tool hooks, which is a nice touch.
Okay, so the Nexgrill has more features. The Weber is simpler, more portable, and a bit cheaper, right? Currently, the Weber is at $229, and the Nexgrill's at $265.79.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you need. If you want a portable grill for small gatherings, the Weber is a solid choice. But if you need more cooking space and power for backyard barbecues, the Nexgrill is the way to go. Plus, that natural gas option is pretty appealing.
Makes sense. Thanks for breaking it down. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.